Hey, it's Design Guy here. Ready to design your first NFT using Canva's easy tools and templates? First, click Create, then select Custom Size and enter 300 by 300 pixels. This sets the canvas dimensions needed for this tutorial. Proceed to the next step once done. Next, go to Elements and search for an inactive cartoon image. Choose the one you want, then add it to your project to enhance your design. Select Generate, then wait for Canva to create your image. This process may take a few moments. Once completed, review the image and proceed with your design. Canva's generation tool simplifies creating custom visuals efficiently and quickly. Click to add this image here, positioning it as needed on the canvas. Resize the shape to fill the entire design area. Next, click the Share button. Choose Download from the options, then select PNG as the file format to save your design to your computer. Then, use this tool to finalize and enhance your NFT design effectively. Now you know how to create NFT art with Canva-like, and subscribe for more creative tips.